Welcome. So it's another reaction to MAYTREE, as you most requested. Plants versus a zombie sound effect acapella.
All right.
Gamers, shout out. So let's begin.
Here we go.
Wow. I must say, this group of people are so talented, and I love their idea that they came up to do a cappella like this, because we heard a lot of a cappella doing for song, not for sound effect or game. What is that? Game theme song. It's always a cover of a song or.
I have a whole list of all kinds of things, window themes and whatever.
Window themes, phone, ringtone, and when I first see them, because of the game Squid Game, and they were recommended. And
well, it's not that easy just to mimic sounds with a group. You know, it's different than just a song.
It's a very short one, but in everything there is different tone. They have to be very specific and hit that tone.
It's very recognizable.
Wow.
Here we go.
The zombies are coming.
They are very entertaining. Wow.
There's a zombie on your lawn. We don't want zombies on the lawn.
God, wow.
That was cool. Personally, I never played the game before, but I heard about it. But it looks really fun.
Yeah, and not really like so much because of the zombie thing, but I know the game. Wow, it really seems they are the one who's making the real sound effect of the game.
Yeah, they could be asked to do it.
Yeah, it's fascinating. I think this group already compete to any talent show.
Yeah,
they should do AGT or any. They are very talented. I must say they can get a golden button for it, because wow, they sing, they do a cappella, brilliant. MAYTREE fans, thank you for recommending this to us.
And I have 2.4 million subscribers.
Yes.
I can imagine.
So MAYTREE fans, comment down below and what do you think about them. So I think you are a huge fan of them. Let us know more about the group, and we hope to see you very soon. Comment for the next one.
All right, bye guys.
Thinking it over.